Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to submit a written assignment in Google Classroom, so let's get started. First, open the Cam Scanner app on your phone. Tap on the camera icon to start scanning your assignment. Now place your assignment page in front of the camera. Cam Scanner will automatically detect the edges with a green frame. Once it's ready, tap the capture button. Page will automatically be cropped and converted into a clean white document. After that, tap on the tick mark, heavy check mark to confirm. If your assignment has multiple pages, tap on Add Page and repeat the same process for all pages. Once all pages are scanned, tap on the PDF name at the top and rename it with your assignment title or your name. After renaming, tap on Share, then choose Share as PDF. From the options, tap on Save to Files and save your document in your phone storage. In the Google Classroom app, go to your class and open the assignment page given by your teacher. Tap on Add Work, then select Upload. Browse and select the PDF file you just saved. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it attached to your assignment. Finally, tap on Turn In to submit your assignment. You've successfully scanned and submitted your written assignment in Google Classroom. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more simple tech tutorials.